Hello YouTube. What we're doing today is we're trying to figure out why our dog Boots, B-O-O-T-Z, goes into an attack mode whenever my twins, Jayla and John John, try to assist me with taking off my boots when I get home. How ironic. His name is Boots, and he goes into attack mode whenever we all tell him to take Daddy's boots off. This is Bria and her pet hamster, the Russian Door. And we're basically going to show you how sentimental Boots can be. Here you go, Jayla. Okay. John John. Hold on, John. And what we're going to show you is how sentimental and quiet Boots can be with the gerbil, or hamster. Here. Right. Now, as you can see, he's a very quiet, very sentimental dog, easygoing Yorkie, very friendly. And once we sit down, and the twins try to help me take my boots off, he goes crazy. Now what he's doing, he wants to attack the boot, and he wants to attack the twins. As you can tell earlier, he was very quiet, very calm around the hamster. As you can see, I need some help from Dog the Whisper, or somebody tell me out there how quiet my pet Yorkie can be until it's time for the boots to come off. Okay, it's okay. Yorkie gone wild.